Marvelous. Popsy, come here. Popsy, I'm going out. Take care of yourself. Don't misbehave and avoid silly behaviors. I hear you, sir. Is that understood? Yes, Popsy. Because you know what I can do if that happens? Yes, sir. See you later.
What type of plane is this?
When I dress like this now and go out, all the girls will just be dying for me.
She what?
They'll be like, hey, Marvelous, that fine boy, that boy is too fine.
You be mumu.
Falling for me.
Continue.
Fine boy like me. Yes. Popsy,
He shock you. You gonna explain tire.
I'm going out. Take care of yourself. Don't misbehave and avoid silly behaviors. I hear you, sir. You know I only gave you 6. This is just a warning. When this happens, I'll give you 32 scores for this wire. Don't try me.
Run for your life.
Hey, Marvelous, don't think of running. Don't think of running. I can run very well. I will catch you. So no need.
Photo.
Back to business. Marvelous, don't misbehave. Avoid silly behaviors. But you decided to do your own. Okay.
You gonna explain tire.
How do we hear of this?
There is God, oh.
Popsy, please. It's not yet my time. It's not yet your time to do what? It's not yet my time to die. Who said you would die? What you're about to do might kill me. I will not kill you, don't worry. You will not die. You will only be dealt with.
Sorry, yo.
That's the thing.
You only you waka come.
Don't worry. I'm giving you only 32 of this.
Chai.
Ah!